My goal is to make sure that in my pathway here, they learn something that they can take with them in hopes that they can use in a job that they get. They will build dog houses, tool sheds. We're also going to teach them how to form for concrete, the basic electrical, plumbing. So a little bit of everything, and kind of give them a head start.
I chose this pathway mainly to extend my knowledge in construction and get a better perspective on how to use tools, how to build anything in general. And I get to learn a lot about how to wear the proper personal protective equipment and how to work as a group.
I chose this pathway because I thought it would help me in life. Like when I get older, it would help me. If I move in and there's a slight problem that is easy to fix, then I could fix it myself.
If they are a 2-year pathway completer, they get an OSHA certification card and certificate for completion. And then they get the CTE cord to wear at graduation. It brings super joy to my heart when students come to me and tell me they've applied what they've learned here outside of school.